Good day, I am Francis James Capidi at ang kapartner ko na si RJ Ramirez. I-discuss namin sa video na to kung ano ang Massive Smishing Campaigns 2022 presents. Ano nga ba ang Massive Smishing Campaigns? Ang smishing ay galing sa SMS or text na pinagsamang phishing. Ito ay cybercrime kung saan gumagamit ang scammer ng text or SMS, text message para manloko ng tao. Usually, nagpapadala sila ng messages na mukhang legit para makuha ang mga personal info, mga bank details, o mga pera ng biktima, ganon. Ay, maganda example dito is yung mga nagte-text na congrats, nanalo ka, tapos may mga link na pipindutin. Crime classification. Ano ang crime na ito? Ang phishing ay isang cybercrime na nakakaapekto sa individual. Ikaw mismo na nawawalan ng pera or identity and nakakaapekto din sa society. Nawawalan sila ng tiwala sa text message at telecom companies. Mga effect nito is yung financial loss, identity theft, panic sa mga tao, o tsaka mga mis-issue datas. Next naman is yung modus operandi analysis. Paano ito gumagana? Example nito is nagpapadala ng personalized message or SMS ang tao. Minsan may name mo pa, tapos may laman na job offer, mga price ganun, mga loans, delivery notice. Tapos pag clinic mo yung fake link nila, then parang hihingian ka nila ng mga OTP, ganyan, mga password, bank details. Tapos dun na nila nanakawin kung ano yung mga laman ng ano mo. For example, mga pera, ganun.
The human versus technology. These attacks involve computer-based social engineering, combining technology tools or system and fake website with psychological manipulations as trust, fear, and urgency to the victims. And this social engineering system is fake website and psychological manipulation and trust, fear, and this is the Philippine legal path. Victims should report incidents to PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, Department of Information and Communication Technology, and the Department of Justice Office and Cybercrime. Offense may be penalized under the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, which include penalties for identify computer-related fraud and illegal access of inference. The SIM card registration Act also support prevention by requiring SIM and registration and penalizing the use of fake identities. This is the example of the Philippine Legal Path is PNP, ECG, DICT, and DOG, etc. And the mitigation plan is immediate preventive measures including enabling manipulator authentication or MFA for stronger account security, improving and public awareness and education, and enforcing sticker, SIM registration, and spam clearing. Multi-factor authentication or MFA is public awareness. Think before you click SIM registration informants and spam filtering, telecom monitoring.
Ang massive smishing campaign ay isang modern cybercrime na gumagamit ng SMS or text message para manloko ng tao. Pinagsama nito ang technology at ang human psychology para maraming mabiktima, pero sa tulong ng laws at awareness, pwede natin itong maiwasan. And yun lang naman, sana may kahit pa paano konting natutunan kayo. Thank you for watching.